This is a demonstration of how to get temperature control on a regular plug-in soldering iron. This is a minimal rig with a PID controller and a thermocouple. The PID controller has a built-in relay that, when activated, sends power to the soldering iron and heats it up. It is regulated by a thermocouple which is inserted into the soldering iron. The controller will switch the relay on and off depending on the temperature of the soldering iron. The tip thermometer will be used to check the temperature of the soldering iron periodically throughout the demonstration. In this demonstration, I will set the controller for various temperature settings and check the temperature of the tip to see how it checks out. The temperature readings are in degrees Celsius. See the video description for the equivalent readings in degrees Fahrenheit. The video description also has links for complete details on how to modify the soldering iron and connect the components. Caution: this unit is connected to live AC voltage. Do not attempt to do this unless you know what you are doing. AC line voltage can be fatal. If you want to do this and you're not absolutely sure you know what you are doing, then get someone to help you who does.